90% of day traders fail. You've all heard that statistic, but it's flawed. Everyone has access to the market. It would be like saying 90% of bridges fail if everyone had access to building bridges. You can't build a bridge until you've been through 4 years of higher education and graduate with a degree in mechanical engineering. You shouldn't start trying to trade until you are ready either. I've been day trading for 7 years now, and it took me 5 of those years to become profitable. I talked on stream this morning what I would do differently to shorten that time if I had to do it again. So I'm going to play that clip now, and afterwards I'll come back and we'll expand on the ideas. I would have subbed to you, but I blew up my small account already. Damn. Deadass. Wait. You just followed me the other day ago, and you told me you were brand new to trading. Didn't I tell you to not trade yet? Didn't I tell you to just watch the market for a while and to formulate a strategy while you're watching the market and then backtest that strategy and then paper trade that strategy? Didn't I tell you that? Nobody wants to listen. Everybody wants to throw money at the market. Nobody wants to listen. But Trey, that sounds boring. I can figure this out. All your money's gone. See? Hey, if anybody's watching and you're not trading yet, like you just discovered trading and you're trying to learn, please don't use real money. Don't even start trading yet. What I want you to do actually is I want you to watch the Mark Douglas seminar, the 4-part seminar that's on YouTube, and or read Trading in the Zone. If you're just started trading, you have an advantage of not being tainted by charts yet, right? Go learn trading psychology before you even give a shit about charts. Understand the psychology behind trading first. That's my recommendation. And then come and watch the markets move. And then once you start to think you recognize a pattern, backtest it. Once you prove that the pattern works, paper trade it. Then after all that, then you can start trading. I know it's boring. I know it's not fun. I know you just want to start throwing money around, but trust me. Hell, all those recommendations go the same, one and the same for anyone who's not making money trading too. If you're not making money trading and you haven't been for a while, take a step back and do all those steps too. I know you don't want to. I know you want to trade, but trust me when I say it will help you a lot. That's what I did. You guys know that on Squirrel Trading, I started paper trading. That's when that channel died because nobody wanted to watch paper trading, which is fair enough, but that's what I took a step back. I started paper trading. I wasn't making money. So I took a step back. I started paper trading. I read Trading in the Zone. I proved a strategy. Now we're moving forward as a profitable trader, right? If you're not making money, you have to take a step back. I know you don't want to. Everybody that's listening to this that's losing money, probably 95% of you won't do it because you don't want to. You want to just keep trading real money, right? But trust me, or don't and keep losing money. I get it. You don't have to trust me. You don't have to listen to me, but I've been trading for 7 years, right? I have, and not only have I been trading for 7 years, I've had to do it. I can be empathetic. Like I had to take that step back. I wasn't making money. I had to paper trade again. Like I had to go learn trading psychology. And don't try to track crap tons of stocks. I would also recommend starting with large caps too, but that is not as hard fast of a recommendation. If you must trade low floats, I guess do you, but understand that trading low floats is trading on hard mode. Understand trading low floats is harder than trading large floats. They move way fast. Way faster, which of course means you can make more money, but it's way harder to be right consistently. I have $30 left in the account, not completely gone yet. Use that money to buy Trading in the Zone. Well, to be fair, you can read it for free. Join the if you join the Discord, that Trading in the Zone book I'm talking about, if you join the Discord and look in the education section, I have a PDF here. If you're like, Trey, what Trading in the Zone book? Like, I don't want to buy a book. Like, here it is. So there was 5 pretty hard, fast steps that you can take to become a profitable trader, to help you become a profitable trader. I want to quickly go over those kind of in a more structured order so that you all have them, one, in order. This is a chronological order. You should do these 1 through 5 in these steps, and I want you all to have a good description of each. Actually, I have a script here in front of me because I'm trying to script my videos and become more professional. But let me just pull it up here so that you all can see it as we walk through it. So step number 1, learn trading psychology. This is before you even, I don't care if you don't know what a stock candle is. If you look at a stock chart and you go, what the hell is going on? Good. You're in a great place. You aren't tainted yet. I used that word in the video, I think, but you don't like start to think you know everything yet, right? Have you guys ever seen the Dunning-Kruger effect? I show this on my stream a lot. I'm going to show you guys here. It's going to help me talk through this conversation a little bit easier. You guys ever seen this? It's when you're learning something new, when you at the very beginning, when you know nothing, like right there is when you start to think you know the most. This is your confidence. The y-axis is confidence here. This is when you start to think you know everything. And then obviously that comes down as you start to realize you don't know everything. Then your confidence is really low. And that starts to come up slowly the more you learn, right? So when I say you're not tainted yet, you're not here yet if you haven't even started trading, which is a good thing. It's a good thing to not be here. And if you feel like you're here, understand that this is a real thing. I mean, this is a real psychological thing. I didn't just make this up. This is a real psychological study. You know, work on bringing yourself down from this without crushing yourself. This is where a lot of beginner traders are. This is where most traders give up, right? Understand you're going to go through that so that you can help not make this curve so sharp, right? But that's what I'm trying to get at. If you haven't even started yet, you're at a baseline 0. It's easier. It's going to be easier for you to actually pick this up. Now, if you have started and you're losing money, just take the step back, do a full reset, feel like you're going to do a full reset and run through these steps as well. But anyway, learn trading psychology. Mark Douglas has a seminar. It's free on YouTube. I'll link it in the description down below. I'm actually currently going through it on my channel as well, doing an interactive study playlist. So maybe click on my channel, find that playlist as well if you want to hear me talk through it a little bit. And he has a book out called Trading in the Zone. That book I acquired to myself as that book made me a profitable trader. I really think reading that book is the step it took to help make me a profitable trader. Understanding this base level, understanding trading psychology really is what got me there. I know you don't want to do it. You just want to jump into the charts and start trading and start making money. I know that's what you want to do. I promise you, you build this foundation of understanding trading psychology first. It's really going to help. 2, watch the markets. Just watch. Don't even look at trades. Don't even paper trade. Don't open an account. Don't do anything. Just watch the markets. Learn how they move. Study price action. Everybody sees the market a little bit differently, and you'll start to see it in your own sort of way if you spend a couple weeks, a couple months just watching. And then once you do that, once you've watched, you'll start to recognize patterns. You will start to pick up on some pattern recognition, and once you do, you back test that strategy. You can't just think you see patterns in the market and then go start trading it. You have to back test it, which is to prove that over time it works. I use code in my back testing. If you don't want to, you don't know how to, you don't have time to learn code, that's fine. You can do it manually in Excel as well. But what you're going to do is you're going to test, you're going to set up rules, and then you're going to test entry X's. You're going to write down where you got in, where you got out, did you make money, keep stats in an Excel sheet or have code do it for you. Do that with at least 100 trades and do it every time the setup appears. This is why I really like coded back testing, because you can't cheat it. A lot of back testing gets cheated because like they'll only look at the examples where it worked really well, and you can't do that because you can't see the future. You're going to take that trade in real life if it matches your rules. So make sure you're doing it every time the setup appears for at least 100 trades, and learn your strategy statistics. Learn its win rate, learn its average win, average loss, learn its max drawdown. Those are all very important. Next, once you've proven that the strategy works in a back test, that's all fine and dandy. I mean, that's important, and you need to do that. But what's really more important is that it actually works when you're trading. There are times when back tests don't translate well to real trading. It just doesn't work. So next, you need to paper trade the strategy. With paper trading is fake money trading if you don't know what it is, so there's no risk to you. But paper trade and journal. Journaling is very important so that as you're taking the trades, you can start to see these statistics outside of just the back test. You can start to see your win rate in forward testing, which once again is what matters more than back testing. But both of these things together will help you define a statistical edge over the market, which is what you need to make money. And then after those 4 steps, then you can start real money trading. But make sure you size appropriately so you feel zero fear from entering positions. If you're scared to lose money, it's going to make you stray away from your strategy that provided you these winning statistics. It's going to make you not enter trades when you're supposed to. It's going to make you cut winners too fast. It's going to make you hold on to losers, or even cut losers too soon when you're supposed to be holding to a certain spot. It's going to make you stray away from the statistics, which you have already proven works in your back test, in your paper trade. And if you back test and paper trade, that's going to really, really help your fear of losing as well. That's going to give you a lot more confidence to take the trades when you're supposed to, get in where you're supposed to, get out where you're supposed to. So those are the 5 steps that I would recommend that you do in order to help yourself cut down the time it takes to become a profitable trader. If I could start again from zero, those are the 5 steps that I would do. If I had a time machine, could go back and tell 2015 Trey, hey, do these 5 things. It wouldn't take me 5 years to become profitable. This would really, really help cut down on that. And that's what I hope translates to some of you all. Hopefully you take this serious. Hopefully you actually perform these steps. I know a lot of people are going to watch it. There's so much allure in the stock market, and that's where that 90% of day traders fail. We started with that statistic, this video, right? It's because the stock market allures people into it, right? There's this grandeur of making money. Oh my gosh, look at all the money you can make. Okay, yes, I want to do that. Boom, throwing $10,000 into the stock market. Let's trade. Without performing those steps first, you're going to be at a huge disadvantage. So please take the time, run through those steps, and let me know if you all do end up doing it. Come back to this video in a couple months. Let me know if it did help you improve. That would be pretty awesome to see in the comment section down below. Oh, also at the end of the live stream clip, I talked about how the Trading in the Zone book is in my Discord. The Discord will be linked in the description down below. Click on that, click on the education tab, and you can get that trading psychology book as a free PDF in there. So hopefully you do that as well. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this and feel like it's going to help you. Hit the red subscribe button so you don't miss out on any other future stock market related content. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and sign out of this video. I will catch you all in the next one.